All right, sed stands for stream editor. It accepts standard input and modifies it based on an expression before displaying it as output data. It is similar to find and replace. Let's look at the expression s/snow /rain single quotes. Right, so instructions. Use cat to display the contents of forest.txt. Right, use sed on forest.txt to replace. So replace just the first appearance of snow and then rain on each line with rain, and then for forest or the forest.txt. Yeah, I forgot to add a single quote here. That should be fine now. So use sed again to replace snow with rain, but this time replace every occurrence of snow. Okay, so every occurrence would be snow, rain. Oh, sorry. Oh, man, come on. So every occurrence would be HI S snow, rain, then G forest.txt. Sure. No, this is wrong. This is wrong. Every occurrence is at S and then a G. Single quotes, yeah, that's right. So if you use cat to view the contents of forest.txt, you'll see that no changes have been made to the file. Use sed one last time to rewrite the file such that all occurrence of snow are permanently replaced. So we're going to take sed and a -i /snow, rain, forests.txt. Okay, so number 5, use cat one more time to see the changes you've made to forests.txt. There you go. Okay, so let's move forward. Review. Congratulations, you've learned how to use command line redirect, standard input and standard output. Okay, let's start the next quiz.